Hello everyone, welcome to the Digital Marketing Software channel. So today I will give you a detailed guide on a software tool that can help you automatically manage and grow a large number of Facebook accounts. First, you must have the MKTK software. This is the main interface of the software. Here it is. Here you can see that I have already added a lot of Facebook accounts. These are a series of my Facebook accounts that I have added to the software. Here, after you add the accounts to the software, select the account interaction feature. That's it. So here, first you need to create a script, which is a scenario that helps you interact just like a real user, similar to how you use your personal Facebook account. Here I have a lot of different interaction actions available. For example, manual interactions like general interaction or reading posts, checking notifications, scrolling through the newsfeed, liking posts on the newsfeed, watching stories, watching videos, and so on. In addition, there are actions that help you interact with friends, interact with UIDs, interact with groups, and also interact with pages. So for each stage and each type of account, you need a different interaction script, a different account warming script to best suit each type of account you have. You might be warming up new accounts, or you might be managing accounts that were created a long time ago. After you've finished adding the script and selecting the interaction actions, just click Save. Finally, you'll need to select your Facebook account. Here I'm going to run about 8 accounts at once, meaning 8 accounts will run simultaneously. Okay, and lastly, you just select your account. After you've selected your account, click the Start button. As you can see, each account will be logged in on a separate Chrome browser. In addition to automatically managing accounts, the software also helps you post, comment, and send messages automatically in bulk and on a large scale. If you're looking to run ads on the Facebook platform, this software can be an extremely effective tool to support you. Okay, and thank you for watching the video. If you're interested in the software, please contact me directly via Telegram or WhatsApp. I've included the details below in the description. Thank you and see you in the next videos.